Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Aaliweya 34-inch Highlight Ombre Body Wave Frontal Wig in a stunning P4 27 shade. This 13x4 HD lace front wig is designed for those who want to elevate their hair game with a blend of honey blonde highlights and soft body waves. Let's see how it performs in real life, from styling to comfort and everything in between. The Aaliweya 34-inch Highlight Ombre Body Wave Frontal Wig boasts a mix of 427 ombre highlights on a 13x4 HD transparent lace. It's crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair, which is known for its natural sheen and silky texture. The wig has a 180% density, providing a fuller, thicker look that resembles natural, voluminous hair. The 13x4 lace is designed to fit comfortably on most heads, and its Swiss lace promises durability while being breathable. This lace is also said to be compatible with all skin tones, providing a more seamless blend with your scalp. What sets this wig apart is its versatility. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color for daily wear or make a statement at a special event, this wig can deliver. The pre-plucked natural hairline means you don't need to worry about spending hours customizing it before wearing it. Plus, it's glueless, making it a go-to for those who prefer a more hassle-free application. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of real-world usage. I found the Aaliweya wig to be incredibly comfortable right from the start. It fits securely on my head thanks to the adjustable straps and combs that come with it. I didn't have to worry about it sliding off during wear, even after a full day out. The lace itself feels soft, breathable, and lightweight, making it suitable for various climates without feeling too hot or heavy. As for styling, the body wave pattern was easy to maintain. It held up well to light heat styling, which means you can straighten or curl it as needed. The ombre color is beautifully executed, with no harsh lines between the darker and lighter sections. The wig also feels smooth to the touch, and I didn't experience much tangling, though a gentle detangling spray helped maintain its silkiness. The only downside I noticed was the length accuracy. While the wig is true to length when straightened, the natural wave can slightly alter the apparent length. It's something to consider if you're expecting a precise measurement based on the waves alone. Pros: the natural texture of the 100% unprocessed Brazilian hair is smooth and soft, which makes it easy to style. The pre-plucked, natural hairline reduces the amount of time needed for customization. The 13x4 HD transparent lace fits well across a variety of skin tones and offers breathability. Adjustable straps and combs make for a comfortable, secure fit. Cons: the natural wave may cause some discrepancies in the length, so it's important to stretch it straight when measuring. Despite being a glueless wig, you may still need to secure the edges for a flawless finish, depending on your preferences. When it comes to value for money, the Aaliweya Highlight Ombre Body Wave Frontal Wig sits at a mid to high price point. However, considering the quality of the materials, 100% Brazilian human hair, the versatility of the style, and the comfort it provides, the price feels justified. It's certainly a good investment if you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-style wig. If you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, there are several human hair wigs available on the market. However, many of them don't offer the same level of comfort or styling options that this Aaliweya wig provides, particularly when it comes to the pre-plucked natural hairline and glueless application. In terms of build quality, the materials used are top-notch. The hair itself is thick, soft, and durable, and the lace holds up well after repeated wear. The wig cap is also sturdy but comfortable, ensuring it doesn't feel tight or uncomfortable. So, what's the final verdict? The Aaliweya 34-inch Highlight Ombre Body Wave Frontal Wig is a solid choice if you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and easy-to-wear wig. The quality of the Brazilian hair and the seamless lace makes it a great option for those who want a natural look without a lot of fuss. I would highly recommend it for anyone who's looking for an ombre body wave style, especially if you prefer something glueless and ready to wear straight out of the box. If this review was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this wig, Drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.